Hello my dear students, I hope all of you doing well. Students, today we will start a new chapter. Okay, so everyone open your English grammar book at page number 27. Page number 27. These, that, these, those. Okay. I hope all of you know something little about some Hello my dear students, I hope all of you doing well. Students, today we will start a new chapter. So everyone open your grammar book at page number 27. Chapter 7. These, that, these, those. Page number 27. I hope all of you know about this and that. Though today I will discuss on this topic, this and that, and then I will tell you what is these and those, where we will use these and those. Okay, fine. So first of all, I will say you when we will use these. When any object or person or animal, okay, will be near to us. Okay, when any object, any person, any animal will be near to us, that time we will use this to describe that animal or object or person. Understand? I am saying it again. When any person, any animal or any object will be near to us, that time we will use this to describe that object. Okay, to give any description about that object, animal or person. Fine. And when any object or person or animal will be far from us, that time we will use that to describe that person, object or animal. Okay, all of you can see that I have drawn some pictures. Okay, so look at the first one. Look at the first one here. Here, look at this flower. This flower is far from this hand, right? This flower is far from this hand. So here I will use that. We will say that is a flower. Understand, students? Why have I used that? Because the flower is far from this hand. That's why I have used that. Fine? Understand? Okay. Now look at the second example. Here we can see that the kite is near to this hand. Right? This kite is near to this hand. That's why here we will say this is a kite. Understand? Fine. Now you will say the next example. Here the balloon is far from this hand. All of you can see that the balloon is far from this hand. So what will we use? What will we use? These or that? This or that? Very good, that. So we will say that is a balloon. Fine? Okay. Now here I am giving some one more example to you. Here look at this pen. Look at this marker. This is near to me, right? It is near to me. So I will say, when I will give you any description about this marker, I will say this is a marker, this is white in color. Now students, suppose this marker is far from me. Okay, this marker is far from me. Now what we will say, or what you will say, or what I will say? I will say that that is a marker. That is a marker that is white in color. Understand? Fine? Okay. So, when any object, person or animal will be near to us, that time we will use this to describe about that object, person or animal. And when the object, person or animal will be far from us, okay, will be far from us, that time we will use that to describe that object, person or animal. Understand, students? Very good. Okay, now you will go to page number 28. Now I will say you when we will use this and when we will use those. Okay. I hope you can remember that you have already read the chapter 1 and more than 1, right? So here these means more. This is the plural number. Plural number means more than 1, and this means only 1. Okay, so this is the plural form of this. Okay, this is the plural form of these. As example, look at this example. Here we can see that there are 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers, and the flowers are near to this hand. Near to this hand. These flowers are near to this hand. So here we will use these because the flowers are more than 1. There has more than 1 flowers. There have more than 1 flowers. Okay, so here we will say these are flowers. Understand? What have I said? I have said that these is the plural form of these. These mean 1 and these. Now look at the pictures again. I hope you will understand it better. Look at this hand, okay, and this flower. There has only 1 flower, and this flower is near to this hand, right? That's why I have written this is a flower, okay, as I have said earlier, okay. But when there will be more than 1 object, animals or person, means when the objects, person or animals will be in plural number, more than 1. Plural means more than 1. So here look at this example. Here we can see that there have 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. There have 3 flowers, and these flowers are near to this hand. So here we will say these are flowers. So what you can understand? This means 1 and this means more than 1. Okay, this means 1 and this means more than 1. Okay, fine. Now here you can see these examples. Yes, these, look at this box of page number 28. These equals to for 1 and these for more than 1. Okay, means I am saying it again. When any object, any person or any animal will be near to us and the object, animal or person will be number 1, that time we will use this. But when the person, animal or object will be near to us but that objects, persons or animals will be more than 1, that time we will use this. Okay, I am giving you some more examples so that you can understand it in a better way. I hope all of you can understand that these are apples. Okay, so look at the first picture, this picture. Here there is only one apple, and this apple is near to this hand. So here I will say this is an apple. Now look at this picture, second picture. Here we can see three apples are there. And these apples are near to these hands. But the apples are more than one. Means the apples are a plural number. More than one. So here we will say these. These are apples. Fine. I hope you have understood now. Okay? Fine. Now I will say you what is that? What is those? Like these and these. Like these and these means singular and plural. If I assume like this is singular and this is plural. Like this, that is singular and those is plural. Okay. So, as I have said, this means singular and these means plural. Like this, that is singular and those is plural. Now look at these pictures, you can understand it easily. Here we can see that the tree is far from the hand. The tree is far from the hand. Right? The tree is far from the hand. So what we will say? We will say that is a tree. Now next second picture. Here we can see the trees are far from this hand, but there has more than one trees. There has two trees. So here we will say those are trees. Understand, students? Very easy. Very easy. Now look at another example. Here we can see that the mango is far from this hand. So we will say that is a mango. Right? Here we will use that. That is a mango. Here in the second picture also, the mangoes are far from the hand, but there has more than one. There have more than one mangoes. There have more than one mangoes, right? So here we will use those. Those are mangoes. Fine? Understand? So now look at this box again. Look at this box which is at page number 28. This box. This is used for a person, place or thing that is near us. Fine? This is used for a person, place or thing that is near us. That is used for a person, place or thing that is far from us. Okay? I'm saying it again. That is used for a person, place or thing that is far from us. Okay? Now look at this. This for one, these for more than one. That for one, those for more than one. Okay? So that is the chapter. These, that, these and those. These means singular. This means singular and this means plural. Okay? These means T-H-E-S-E. T-H-E-S-E. These. These is the plural form of this. T-H-I-S. This. And those. T-H-O-S-E. Those is the plural form of that. T-H-A-T. That. Okay? So, this is the chapter. Okay, so I hope all of you have understand this chapter. Though if you face any problem, any doubt, definitely you can ask me, students. That's for today. Bye bye. Read this chapter at your home very well. Thank you.